Hi friends, so today I'm here at Miras and today we are going to discuss about this project, Port de la Mer. Miras is one of the renowned developers over here in Dubai. Their successful projects includes La Mer, Blue Waters. We have so much more including City Walk. So this is the model which I'm going to show you. This consists of low-rise buildings. You can see marina right in front of you with parked yachts and a very beautiful lamppost as well. So this is the community which is getting developed and it is right across La Mer. So I'll show you how big the development is. I'll show you across because it has got lots and lots of features. You can see it has got direct beach access as well. By the way, I'll go to the actual site. I'll show you how the actual view is. So keep tuned with this video and I'll show you the actual view. Miras is completely Dubai based conglomerate. You can see how beautiful this model is. Similarly, the beautiful the buildings are, and of course if it's Miras, you can easily close your eyes and buy with the interiors. So exterior, you can see it's vintage architecture, but interior is contemporary, and it is located right next to the sea. So you have the coastal lifestyle, coastal feeling. Isn't it great? So some of the buildings has sea view, some of the buildings has marina view. Of course, water view is always there. Plus it has got Dubai skyline view as well. So when you are entering from La Mer, you have to cross Sur La Mer first. So I'll explain you Sur La Mer because that is an integrated lifestyle townhouses. So it has got some mixed townhouses. You can see this is the model of Sur La Mer. It has got townhouses, and when you cross these townhouses, you can see some of the townhouses had got direct access towards the sea. Isn't it amazing? So this is actually the La Mer. So when you cross this La Mer, you have to cross Sur La Mer and then you go to Port de la Mer. So some of the units has complete unblocked sea view. And this is the Port de la Mer which starts from here. So some of the buildings are just for the representation over here next to Sur La Mer. So I can see the amenities included right over inside the buildings, including swimming pool, gym. See, these are the common amenities which any kind of big developer will offer to you, and they are maintained to top of their class. So now I'll go to show you the actual view, how the view is from the buildings. So this is the actual view. You can see open sea water view. And these buildings are getting ready. Now this is the Dubai skyline view as well. So you have both the options available. Now I'll show you the 2-bedroom apartment first, and then I'll show you the 3-bedroom apartments, two different layouts. So stay tuned with this video. This is the 2-bedroom apartment. You can see amazing finishings in the kitchen. This is the living area. It has got wooden finish with the flooring. Of course, these are the tiles. Let me show you kitchen in detail. you can understand how beautiful and how amazing this apartment is. See the quality, you can see the woodwork. Now I'll move towards the washrooms and the bedrooms. So this is the first washroom, includes the bathtub. This is the first bedroom. You can see lots of storage spaces already inbuilt. And right in front of me, it is a small storeroom. This is the master bed. So this is the walk-in closets and second washroom en suite. It has got standing shower, double sink, very good finishing. Now this is the bedroom, master bed I would say. Very good size. So this is the master developer Meras, and they are managing the community very well. Even after buying the unit, you have every kind of services. So this is the 3-bedroom which I am going to show you. This is the layout 1. You can see very spacious living area. This 3-bedroom would be around in the size of 2000 square feet. Of course, the layouts or the availability changes, so it might increase as well when you're at the time of buying. You can see lots of storage spaces, including the dishwasher space as well. Very good woodwork, and this is the laundry area. Now I'll proceed towards the balcony first, and I'll show you how the view is. So every room has the access towards the balcony of this apartment. Of course, this is a sample apartment. You can see the view from the balcony, completely open view, plus the skyline view as well. You have actually options, different layouts, different options in front of you. Plus it has got 4-bedroom also available for you. This is the guest washroom. Of course, the size of the 4-bedroom would be higher and the layout will change. So this is the maid's room. Of course, maid's room includes the washroom by default. Very spacious apartment it is. I can see very good size bedroom. The finishings, the quality matters. If you're buying the apartment for you or for your investment, you have to see every detail of this apartment so that you can take the decision. You can see every room is very spacious. Space is used very wisely, and there is no compromise on the quality. The location of this particular project is Jumeirah, lies in heart of Jumeirah 1. You can see the washroom, very good quality they have delivered. See walk-in closet and the master bed, master washroom, standing shower, double sink. So Jumeirah is very prime location if you are considering to buy for your investment or for your own use. You can definitely consider this location. It is very centrally located, I would say. And of course, you are buying the quality, you are buying a specific layout. Meras is a very well known name over here, and you can see the quality by yourself how beautiful the apartment is. I'll show you the second layout as well. Now this is the living area and this is the kitchen. Now let me show you the view from the balcony first. Of course, the size of this apartment will also the same as the previous one, around 2100 square feet. You can see open view plus Dubai skyline view as well. Since it is getting constructed, so you can see some of the building materials around. Building is ready almost. If you see the number of buildings getting constructed, so many of them are on the verge of completion as well. So this is the laundry area. Meraas has delivered so many number of projects and successfully managed them, well maintained. Example, Blue Waters, City Walk. It's all about the quality living. You can see very spacious bedrooms. Maid's room comes with the washroom by default. So if you're living beside the sea, it is an amazing feeling. Port de la Mer is all about living beside the sea, having the yacht parked right in front of you. It is an amazing one. So it comes with the first washroom, comes with the bathtub. Now this is the master bed. Walk-in closets are there and got double sink as well as standing shower in the this washroom. You can see the master bed. I'll close this tour of this 3-bedroom apartment as well. I'll proceed towards the living area. You let me know your feedback, and about the booking procedure I can guide you very well. About the availability, you can feel free to give me a call or send me a WhatsApp. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. If you have any questions regarding this particular apartment or this kind of similar apartments, about the availability or booking procedure, give me a call on this given number or send me a WhatsApp. I'll reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.